In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on Google. Tap on All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Then scroll all the way down to choose Google Password Manager and select any password you wish to edit by clicking on it. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button, and change whatever you want to. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!